like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
What's up my crypto people, welcome to another video. In this video I'll show you one very simple and easy Litecoin crypto faucet where you can earn free Litecoin and withdraw it to your FaucetPay account. As always, I will leave a link in the description below, so feel free to join. Okay guys, so here's how the site looks like. Very simple, very straightforward. This site has absolutely nothing except the faucet, okay, so no offer wall, no short links. I know that you guys will like this a lot, okay. So here you can see the claiming amounts 100 Litoshis. Don't forget to disable your ad block. You will always get 3 pop-up ads at the beginning, but after that you can claim without any pop-up ads. So here is the faucet balance. Here in the middle you need to put your FaucetPay email. After that you are ready to claim some free LTC. So you just need to do this one very simple captcha and that's it. You receive the crypto instantly to your FaucetPay account. There's no minimum withdrawals. So really nice guys. I wanted to make a video about this site this morning, but the balance was empty. But shout out to the site owner, he has replenished the balance already in less than 24 hours, so that's really praiseworthy, okay. Anyways guys, I'm honestly curious to see what will happen after I publish this video. I am curious to see how the site owner will handle this massive influx of new users, okay, because lately whenever I publish a video about these let's call them micro faucets, there's always some changes, okay. Either the site owner puts like mandatory registrations or decreases the claiming amounts or increases the cooldown or increases the minimum withdrawal amounts. So yeah, hopefully none of that will happen after I publish this video, but we will see, okay. So yeah, let's claim some more Litecoin and then I will show you the payment proof on FaucetPay. So here's the payment proof, my dear crypto legends. So you can see it's 100% legit, 100 Litoshis for every claim. The name of the site is 𝐬𝐢𝐭𝐡 crypto faucet. So yeah, make sure to join this amazing faucet through the link in the description below. Also check out the description below for some other crypto faucets that I have left a link for. Check out my other videos for all the other crypto sites that that I could not put in the description below because there's a limit for links, okay. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, peace.